how to reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Reset. After click on Reset. If you want to reset all settings, click on Reset All Setting and click on Reset Settings. After click on Reset Setting, enter your phone PIN and you will see your all setting is reset. So it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After reset setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.